Miss Maria again from the Savvy Homeschooler Planner. This is Getting Started series, and it is the video on how to create a bundled curriculum. So where you can combine two of the curriculum resources into one. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at some of the 𝐵GAU Press curriculums. I have Connections in Literature and Writing and Grammar 8, and I want to just make it under one single curriculum resource called English 8. But before I do that, I'm going to open this up here, Making Connections in Literature, and I wanted to show you something about how I can incorporate a library book as well. So while I am down here, I'm going to go down to the description for this particular course, and in reading it, it said there is a novel study on Across 5 Aprils that is sold separately but is part of the course. So I had previously to this video added that particular book, and so I'm going to now pick it from the library and add it to this curriculum. So here it is. It's Across 5 Aprils, and now it is it is now connected to this particular curriculum resource. Okay, so now I want to combine Making Connections in Literature 8 and Writing and Grammar 8 as one single curriculum resource, and I am going to call it English 8. And so I'm just going to take it here, put new curriculum. And by the way, if there's also some right here where it says creating a combined curriculum resource, it has the instructions right here. So go ahead and you can read that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and create that curriculum. It's going to be called English 8. Oh, excuse my dog there. All right, so English, let's see, right here. English 8. Oh, actually, you know what I'm going to do, because it's a 𝐵GAU. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to restart this section again really quick. So I'm going to delete that. I forgot that I wanted to make sure. Okay. Because it's part of the 𝐵GAU Press, I have here a template that has 𝐵GAU. So I'm going to use this one right here. All right, so because it has this little icon. And now I'm going to call this one English 8. And the curriculum cover. So now I'm not going to use this curriculum cover that's here. I'm actually going to upload one that I made. And so I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to go ahead and add a file. And I just made a generic course cover, curriculum cover for English 8. I'm going to upload it from my computer. It says right here, English 8. There it is. Okay. And this was just created using AI. So I'm just using it as an example. So I don't need this cover here, the URL link, but I will leave the course icon right here. Now we want to add from the library and or curriculum. So from the library, we do want to make sure that Across 5 Aprils is part of this, even though, and then also related curriculum, we are doing Making Connections and Writing and Grammar. And now we have everything is all bundled under English 8, but I want to show you two right here. Let's see. So we don't want this as our cover. We're going to use that other cover, and I just want to replace it. So when I go to add courses, it's easy to find. So I'm going to go back to my desktop, and then, so yeah, later on I'll show you how I take an image that was inputted here and download it and insert it into the courses section. Okay, let's see. Now also I wanted to say that if I wanted to talk about what this curriculum is made of, I would go here and I would open up here, Making Connections, and I'm going to use ChatGPT to kind of just give me a concise, like, okay, let's just really quick. I'm going to highlight this all. I'm going to show you what I would do. Control C. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to put that. And then I'm going back here. So it was Writing and Grammar was the other one. Let's see, Writing and Grammar. Okay. And then now I'm going to do this, highlight that. And now I'm in ChatGPT. Okay. So what I want to do is I'm going to say, please create a short summary for both of these combined. Okay, so now it tells me everything that I want to do with it. It combines everything with a comprehensive writing program. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And now I'm going into, let's see, let's get out of here, into my English 8. So here's my English 8. I'm going to open that up. And for where it says about, or, well, it used to say about right up here. I'm going to put right here. And I'm going to put here about this curriculum. Okay. Let me open this all the way. Okay, so now we kind of know what is grade English 8, and then it'll tell you just a brief description of what you have. And then if you wanted to add lessons, bulk up lessons, that is in a different video of how to do it with ChatGPT. I'm not going to be able to do it in this particular course because I don't have these books. But this is a good place too, where you would add lessons that you created as a shortcut for the courses later on. And that will be explained as we go into the next video session about creating courses. Thank you so much for watching.